The index and match functions can be used in combination to search for and return values based on what is entered. To understand how to use them, let's take a look at them individually first. The index function is easy to use as it works similar to a map. First, the function asks us to define the map area and then define the x-coordinate, which is the row, and the y-coordinate, which is the column. By then changing these x and y coordinates, we can easily control the value that gets returned. Now, if we only knew the position of the value we want, we could easily return that value or a different value on the same row or column. This is where the match function comes into the picture. The match function can be used by defining what we are searching for and the row or column we want to search in. It then returns the amount of rows or columns the function had to go through before reaching the sought after value. When using the match function, just as with the lookup functions, it's a good idea to enter false or 0 as the third argument to ensure that only exact matches are returned. Now let's say we want to know the color of a certain car in this example. We know that all the colors are in the second column of the map area, so we can fill in 2 as the column value in the index function. Then we can fill in the match function instead of a row value and define what we are searching for and where we want to search for it. This will then return the row where this value is found. Since the value for the row is returned inside of the index function, it will act as the row value of the index function, while the predetermined column value ensures that the color is returned to us. To make things easier, we can divide the different functions into different cells and call upon them in the manner shown on the screen. This will make it easier to change values later. To make things even more flexible, we can then combine them into one index and match table, like the one shown on screen. Having separate search values for the y and x axis will make this function combination even more powerful. Now we can easily find the color or price of any car, but that's not all. If we change search area 1, we can also find the cheapest car by using the min function of the C column as the search value, as well as defining the C column as the search area, and entering 1 as the column value in the index function. The return value will then be the cheapest car, which in this case is a Ford. Now, if you want to learn more Google Sheet tips and tricks, check out this playlist.